Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday, January the 13th, 2025. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. Well, I've made a mistake with the numbering. Well, the last puzzle I've solved is 9897. So this should be 9898. Well, I've skipped one number, and the number is 9892. Okay, so I need to correct this, so I will number this in 9892. Okay, this one with I believe 17 printed digits. Yeah, before I start I always count the printed digits. This one is 17. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double ones, there no, double ones, there no, double ones, there no. Now the double O's. Here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so let's start O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here, so let's start O's. 4 O's we have here, so let's start ones. Between two ones comes an O. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 O's, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, so that box should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. And between the ones comes an O. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. In 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again, and I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.